Welcome to Taylor's International Hotel. How may I assist you?
I would like to check in.
Have you made a reservation?
Yes, I have.
Okay, may I have your full name?
Ling Ling Sisyanti. My last name is Sisyanti.
Okay, one moment please while I check the reservation. Oh yes, sir, we do have a reservation. We were expecting your arrival. Right, miss, this is our registration card. May I reconfirm your details, please? You have reserved a deluxe king room suite for 2 people, 2 nights only. And I understand your travel agent will be paying for your room and your breakfast. So may I have your travel agent voucher? May I also have your passport for the registration purposes? Alright, everything seems to be in order. Could you please fill in your email, telephone number, and sign me at the end? Alright, miss, I understand the travel agent is paying for your room charge only, so may I also collect a deposit of RM200 as incidental charges?
200.
This is your calculation slip. You can always come back to the lobby when you're already checking out and collect your deposit. Okay. Alright, it's been Ling Ling. This is the room key. This is your room number. It's on the 2nd floor. This is a hotel passport which identifies you as a guest to Taylor's International Hotel. It also describes the different facilities we have at the hotel and also the operating hours of all our F&B outlets. This is the welcome drink voucher, which you can redeem at the Vintage Lobby Lounge. This is our meal voucher, which you can redeem at the Brasserie between 6 AM to 10 AM. Right. Miss, if you have any inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact me or any of my staff. My name is Wasim Aksar. This is our bellman Agi over here. He will help you with your luggage. The guest lift is on the right of you. Have a pleasant stay.
Thank you.